Hi, my name is Alex CARLUCCI with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you about contingent buyers and sellers, because when there's contingency, it weakens your offer. So there's a few things that are going to weaken your offer throughout this craziness we're going through during COVID. So there's multiple offers on every house. So picture if you're a seller of a house and you've got 10 offers to look from. And there's a 20% down conventional. There's this one they can close in 25 days. There's a 3.5% down FHA that needs 45 days to close. And then there's this guy who's offering $10,000 more than any of these two, and they're doing 20% down conventional, but they have a contingency that they have to sell their house first. Now, normally I would say that selling that house would be a problem, but right now people are listing their houses and they're gone in a minute. So right now, people would probably take that offer because they're offering more money. But when the market slows down and you've got that contingency and houses aren't selling, that offer, even though it's worth $10,000 more, is not better than the other two. It's now worse because houses aren't selling that quick. So this whole deal could fall apart just because this guy can't sell his house. So then the guy is going to go look at the 20% down conventional. Now, the more money you put down, and if you're conventional versus FHA or VA, conventional probably will win. If you have closing cost credits, that hurts your offer. You have long closing times because whatever reason you need a long time, because the banks are slow right now for government loans, or because you can't move for a long time, you're going to hurt your offer. Contingency is one of them. Will hurt your offer if you have to have a contingency, closing cost credits, and long close time. So keep that in mind. Want your offer to be strong. Try not to have any contingencies, closing cost credits, and some fast close times. If you go conventional all day long. That's my advice to you. Give me a call if you have any questions, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. Thank you.